Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started pouring the Versagel into the bowl. So this is just me adding the Versagel now.
You said that I've been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on you. And you don't want to double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping up. You're off the leash, run me my keys. No more popping up the idiot, yeah. I ain't even got the miles to trip on, yeah. New phone.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be adding my oils. You can use whatever oils you choose to. Yeah, I'm just adding my oil.
Look at my jeans, I'm too thick, I ain't got no room for extra baggage. So don't forget to come and pick up your don't leave no pieces, you need to hurry.
Okay, so now I'm starting to mix. I do the fold method because I feel like it helps the oil and the Versagel mix more efficient. So, but you can mix however you want, but this is just how I mix.
Don't forget to come and pick up your don't need no pieces. I'm trying to find the fuck to get for you. You and I the chances of forgiving you. Yeah, listen, I ain't listening just for you to go and break my heart again. I learned my lesson. Hey, and I ain't coming. And you're missing what you had now. And I bet you I look better, don't I? New phone, who is it? Contact, don't it? Need a ride, call that bitch. Gas way too expensive. No more benefits. Papa business. Hairstyle, no grip. I ain't got no room for extra baggage.
Okay, so now I'm adding my peppermint essential oil. Peppermint is really good for removing dead skin. It's also a natural lip plumper. And it's really good for your lips. So I'm just gonna add a couple of drops of that. Okay, so now I'm mixing in the peppermint oil and Versagel, but basically my clear lip gloss is done. And this is just me mixing it in.
Yeah, don't need no pieces, but a lock on the door where my heart once was. But you had your fun, but I had enough. Now I'm really done. I deserve so much more than you gave to me. So now I'm saving me, and I made my peace. So you can run them streets, but don't forget to come and pick up your don't need no pieces. You need to hurry up.
This is so satisfying to watch. But this is me checking my consistency for the lip gloss, and this is how I know that it's done.
All that shit you can keep. I don't need, I don't forget to love it. No. Don't leave no pieces.
Okay, so this is legit my absolute favorite part of making lip gloss, but it's filling the tube. And it's so satisfying watching tube filling videos. I literally sit and watch them on Instagram all the time. But here's me filling up a 15 ml squeeze tube.
You said that I've been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on you. And you don't want to double dipping, yeah. You so sloppy how I caught you slipping up. You're off the leash, run me my keys. No more popping up the idiot, yeah. I ain't even got the miles to trip on, yeah. New phone, who is it? Brand new, like the whip. Rock it up, no assist. Make bitch, I ain't average. Wake up, need a zip. Hennessy, take a sip. Look at my jeans, I'm too thick.
Okay, and then here's a 10 milliliter tube that I made of myself, but this is how my clear lip gloss looks, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and shop the brand, become part of the Blue Crew. I'll leave a code for 10% off in the description box below. Bye, guys.